how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method that will help you generate from $200 upward to $2,000 per month passive income. Not you will not need to learn any skill, or you will not need to have any capital or any money to start. You'll just need a laptop and the Wi-Fi, and you will need to have a Google Maps, which is the platform that we're going to use, and also you will need to create an account in Fiverr.com. And basically the idea is that we're going to go to Google Maps, choose the market that we're going to work on. For me, I like to work on the United States market because it's the best market in the world. And here we're going to choose a state, and basically the idea is that we're going to search for the local small businesses in the towns or cities in the United States. Then we're going to check their profile in Google Maps, and we're going to search or see if we can find bad reviews about their service, or if they don't have a website, or if they need help with marketing their business, their services. Then that's what we're going to pitch them. We're going to pitch them that we can remove bad reviews and improve their reputation on the website, or we can also help them automatize the process of booking appointments, for example for the hair salons or the auto repair shops, by creating up-to-date websites for them. Or we can also help them gain more clients by managing their social media profiles, or by launching marketing campaigns for them. So let's get started and let's search for, first let's choose the state that we're going to work on. For example, let's go for Dallas. So here in Dallas, let's choose a city. Let's go for Frisco. In here, let's go for Frisco, and let's see if we can find some auto repair shops or some gyms. Let's go for auto repair. Here, let's go for auto repair. And here we have the first one is sponsored, which is Texas Dent Company, which is sponsored, and they have a website. And here we have Christian Brothers Automotive, and they also have a website. And if you want my opinion, always avoid the ones that are sponsored and the ones that has a lot of reviews. Always go for the 100 reviews or less. So this is the one potential that we can check if we can pitch them any service. This one is not. 281, another potential. This doesn't even have a website, which means more money to generate. This one has only 28 reviews. So let's check this one first that doesn't have a website. Let's see his profile. 3rd Street Garage, 146 reviews. The number, and this is the website. I thought that they didn't have a website. All roads lead to 3rd Street Garage Professional Auto Repair, and this website looks up to date. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't even need renovations, and it looks very professional. And this is their partner, Auto Shop Solutions. So this, we're not going to pitch this one. It looks that they're professionals. Let's see this one that has only 28 reviews. Auto repair excellence. This is their website. Let's check their website as well. And here their website looks like it will use some renovations for sure. As you can see, it's very old and it's very not up to date. It could use a lot of renovations, so that's something we can pitch them. And let's see if we can find their social media accounts. We can't find them. They only have a YouTube. Let's see if they have something in the contacts. This is their address and this is their email, which is very helpful. This is where we're going to pitch them. And let's see if we can find some bad reviews that are going to help us convince them to purchase our service, because the bad reviews are very helpful. So here they have some 1-star reviews. Let's look for those. So here we have Jason's 5 stars, 5 stars, 5. Five stars. And this is the 1-star review. As you can see, he just typed rude and left a period. Another one. So those are the reviews that we're going to use as a leverage to convince them that they need to purchase our service. So for example, we'll just send them a message saying, or an email saying that these 1-star reviews are going to ruin their reputation and we're going to prevent them from making more money from the clients that will read these reviews and will change their minds and will refuse to go to this shop or this garage and will go to the other garages. So that's something we can pitch them. And also we're going to pitch them the renovation of their website as well. And guys, you will not need to know or to learn any skill. You'll just go to Fiverr here and type whatever skill you're looking for. For example, if you want to remove the bad reviews, you can do that for $25 by hiring this freelancer, and then you can get paid from the business $200 or $300. Then you will pay the freelancer $25 and you will be left with a great margin. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.